saw Saint Charbel with my own eyes. She told me she would heal me, said Maya Al-Harake, one of many Muslim women who experienced a miracle of healing after praying through the intercession of one of the most famous saints in the Catholic Church, that is Saint Charbel Makhlouf. There have been over 33,000 miracles. Charbel Makhlouf was a Catholic monk in Lebanon, born in 1828. From a young age, Charbel lived in a mountain village called Bika Kevra and was deeply interested in the lives of saints and the monastic life. He also usually prays in a cave where he keeps an icon of the Virgin Mary. In 1851, Charbel followed his calling and entered the Lebanese Maronite order. He was then ordained as a priest in 1859. Father Charbel then lived an ascetic life, practiced self-denial, and became known for his holiness. In 1898, he passed away at the age of 70, happily with the saints in heaven on Christmas Eve, and was buried at Saint Maron's Monastery. His purity and extraordinary works during his life led to Father Charbel being canonized as a saint in 1977. Many miracles then began to occur at the tomb of Saint Charbel Makhlouf, as well as testimonies from people who requested his intercession. Even the records from Saint Maron Monastery in Anaya, Lebanon, show over 33,000 miracles. The tomb of Saint Charbel in Anaya, located almost an hour from the Lebanese capital Beirut, became one of the most visited Catholic pilgrimage sites, attracting pilgrims from various places and countries. In fact, the pilgrims were not only from the Catholic community, but also from various religions, especially Sunni and Shia Islam in Lebanon. Maya Al-Harake is one of the Muslims who experienced a miracle of healing after visiting the monastery and tomb of Saint Charbel. He suffers from chronic heart disease. Her auntie, who is Catholic, then told Maya about one of the most famous saints in the Catholic Church, Saint Charbel. They then visited the tomb of Saint Charbel together, where Maya experienced a miraculous healing from God through the intercession of Saint Charbel's prayers. He shared this testimony in April 2024. Not only Maya Al-Harake, but May Jamal is also one of the Muslim women from Lebanon who had a spiritual experience with the Catholic faith after praying through the intercession of Saint Charbel. He, who was diagnosed with stomach cancer in 2021, miraculously experienced a miracle of healing. He shared this testimony in August 2024. He even wears a rosary necklace now, a sacred necklace in the Catholic faith. Saza, a Muslim woman born in Saudi Arabia, also experienced a similar miracle. At the time, his son Yasin Jaber was disabled. Saza then sought God's mercy and visited the tomb of Saint Charbel, asking for the saint's intercession. Her son was then healed in 2016 after Saza dreamed of Saint Charbel telling her that her son had been cured. He then shared this testimony in 2020. Although he is a Muslim, he is so grateful to have experienced healing through the Holy Catholic faith. My Catholic is awesome friend. Wow, the miracles of Jesus Christ through the intercession of Saint Charbel were also revealed to those who are not Catholic. Even the Anaya Monastery records that 10% of Saint Charbel miracles occur among people who were not yet baptized as Catholic. Sister Mary Abel Kamari, she is one of the Lebanese Catholic monks who suffered from intestinal disease for 14 years. After praying all night at the tomb of Saint Cerbal, he was miraculously healed, which left the doctor astonished and speechless. The latest miracle of healing occurred through the oil of Saint Cerbal. This happened at the Saint Ferdinand Parish Catholic Church in Naples, Italy. On July 24, 2025, a young woman told Father Pasquale, the parish priest, that she had been cured of a tumor thanks to the prayers of Saint Cerbal. After Father Pasquale celebrated Mass, commemorating the feast of Saint Cerbal and anointed the faithful who approached the altar after Mass with Saint Cerbal oil sent by his Lebanese Catholic friend in Rome. My Catholic is awesome friend. Lebanon itself currently has a Catholic population of nearly 47% of the population, or over 2 million people Catholics. Lebanon is also the most strongly Catholic country in the Middle East. Lebanese Catholics also call Saint Cerbal the miracle-working monk of Lebanon because of his powerful intercession. May this extraordinary testimony strengthen our faith. As Catholics, we are grateful that we have saints who are always praying for us who are still pilgrims in this world, because the prayer of a righteous person, when prayed with faith, has great power. Yes, Saint Cerbal Maklov, pray for us. Catholicism is awesome. Salve!